For homeowners in Sumter looking to upgrade their living spaces, slider windows have quickly become one of the most popular and practical choices. Their clean lines, smooth operation, and energy-saving design make them a perfect fit for both contemporary homes and traditional properties ready for a fresh update. Whether you're planning a full home renovation or simply improving one room at a time, slider windows offer a blend of convenience, beauty, and performance that's hard to beat. Simple, smooth operation that fits everyday living. One of the biggest reasons Sumter homeowners love slider windows is their effortless operation. Instead of pushing or cranking a window open, slider windows glide horizontally along a track. This design makes them incredibly easy to use, even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces like above the kitchen sink or behind furniture. The smooth glide mechanism also holds up well over years of frequent use, making slider windows a long-lasting, low-maintenance choice. For busy households, this simple functionality means less frustration and more comfort. Children, seniors, and anyone with limited mobility can open and close slider windows without strain, adding convenience to everyday living. A modern look with wide, unobstructed views. Sumter homeowners value natural light, and slider windows deliver it in abundance. Their wide glass panels create unobstructed views of the outdoors, making rooms feel brighter, larger, and more connected to the surrounding landscape. Whether you're looking out at your backyard, garden, or Sumter's open skies, the expansive viewing area is one of the biggest design perks. Because slider windows have fewer framing components, they offer a sleek and modern appearance that blends seamlessly with today's architectural styles. They work beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, and sunrooms, anywhere you want to maximize light and create a more open feel. Energy efficiency that saves money year-round. With Sumter's hot summers and cool winters, energy efficiency is a top priority for local homeowners. Slider windows are engineered with tight seals and energy-efficient glass options that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This reduces the strain on your HVAC system and can lead to lower monthly energy bills. Modern slider windows often include features like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, and durable weather stripping, all working together to keep heat out during the summer and warmth in during the winter. For homeowners focused on long-term savings and comfort, these energy-smart features make slider windows a standout choice. Low maintenance for busy lifestyles. Today's slider windows are designed to require minimal upkeep. Because they open horizontally, there are fewer mechanical parts compared to crank-style windows, which means less risk of wear and tear. Many slider window frames are made from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, rotting, and peeling, especially important in Sumter's mix of humidity and seasonal weather. Cleaning is also a breeze. Many slider windows lift out of their tracks, allowing easy access to both the interior and exterior glass without ladders or special tools. This makes them ideal for multi-story homes or homeowners who simply want quick upkeep without hassle. Affordable and versatile. For any home style, slider windows provide an excellent balance of style and affordability, making them a smart upgrade for Sumter homeowners working within a budget. They come in a wide range of sizes, configurations, and frame colors, ensuring they blend naturally with your home's existing design. Whether your property leans modern, traditional, farmhouse, or transitional, slider windows add value without overwhelming your budget. A smart choice for today's Sumter homeowners. With their blend of modern aesthetics, effortless operation, energy efficiency, and low-maintenance performance, slider windows have earned their place as a top choice for homes in Sumter. For anyone looking to brighten their space, reduce energy costs, and enjoy practical everyday convenience, slider windows are a home improvement upgrade that delivers immediate and long-lasting benefits. If you're considering new windows, explore slider window options to give your home a refreshed look and improved comfort for years to come.